Have you ever seen a check engine light pop up and felt your stomach drop? Or maybe your car has a rough idle or clunky gear shifts. You might think you're headed for a massive repair bill. But what if I told you that most of the time, the fix is completely free? Today, I'm going to show you 8 free car reset tricks that mechanics don't want you to know about because they fix 95% of car problems right at home. Let's get started. Trick number 1, the Universal ECU Reset. Your car's engine control unit, or ECU, is its brain. Over time, it can store minor errors or get confused, leading to check engine light, rough idling, or even poor gas mileage. This simple reset forces the ECU to clear all stored codes and start over, which is why it's so effective. Here's how you do it. First, locate your car's battery. You'll need a wrench to loosen the clamp on the negative terminal. Make sure you're disconnecting the negative one, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Once it's loose, pull the cable off the terminal. Now for the waiting game. You need to wait at least 5 minutes to allow the car's memory to fully drain. For a more thorough deep reset, you can leave it disconnected for up to 30 minutes. After the time is up, securely reconnect the negative cable and tighten the clamp. A quick but important note, this reset can sometimes erase your radio presets or other settings. So be prepared to re-enter any security codes or reset the clock. And with that, your car's brain has been wiped clean, ready to relearn its settings for a smoother ride. Trick number 2, the automatic window reset. Next up, a quick fix for a super annoying problem, a window that won't roll up automatically. We've all been there. You hit the button, but the auto up feature is gone. This happens because the Windows controller can lose its memory of the correct positions. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. Here's what you do. First, roll the window all the way down. Once it's fully lowered, keep holding the button down for about 2 to 3 seconds. Now roll the window all the way up. When it's at the top, hold the button up for another 2 to 3 seconds. That's it. You've just recalibrated the Windows motor. Now go ahead and try that auto feature again. It should be working perfectly. Trick number 3, the throttle body relearn. We're going to fix a sluggish response from your car. If you've ever felt hesitation when you press the gas pedal, or if your idle is rough and inconsistent, this trick is for you. The throttle body is what controls the air going into your engine, and its position sensor can lose its proper calibration over time, especially after a battery change. This simple relearn procedure gives it a fresh start. Here's the process. First, get in your car and make sure all the doors are closed. Next, turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Wait for all the lights on your dashboard to stabilize. Now for the key part, slowly press the gas pedal all the way to the floor and then slowly release it. You're going to repeat that action a total of 3 times. Once you've done that, turn the key back to the off position. And that's it. Your car's throttle body now has a fresh baseline, and you should notice a smoother, more responsive ride. Trick number 4, the transmission reset. This is a common issue that makes your car feel old and tired. A transmission that feels clunky, delayed, or just plain lost. Your car's transmission control module, or TCM, learns your driving habits over time. It tries to anticipate your next move, but this can lead to inefficient shifting patterns. This trick will erase that memory and give your transmission a fresh start. Here's the simple process. First, get in your car and turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now press the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for a full 20 seconds. While still holding the pedal, turn the key back to the off position. Finally, release the gas pedal and wait for 2 full minutes. That's it. Drive your car normally for the next few days, and you'll let the transmission relearn a new, more efficient shifting pattern. Trick number 5, the TPMS reset. Let's tackle a common dashboard nuisance, the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS light. You've checked your tires, they're all at the right PSI, but the light just won't turn off. That's because the system needs to be told that everything is okay. Here's how to reset it. First, make sure all your tires, including the spare, are inflated to the correct PSI. You can usually find the recommended pressure on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Now get on the road and drive at a consistent speed, usually above 25 miles per hour, for at least 15 minutes. This gives the sensors enough time to detect the new, correct pressure. In most cases, the light will turn off on its own. But if it doesn't, your car might have a manual reset button. Check your owner's manual, but it's often located under the dash, in the glove box, or sometimes on the instrument panel. Press and hold that button until the TPMS light blinks and you're all set. Trick number 6, the hidden AC blower motor reset. We're fixing a problem that's often a mystery to most drivers, an erratic AC or heating blower motor. This is when your fan seems to have a mind of its own, running at full speed for no reason, or maybe not turning on at all. Just like the other systems in your car, the climate control module can get confused and needs a quick reboot. This is where the hidden AC blower motor reset comes in. First, turn your ignition key to the OFF position. Now locate your car's fuse box. You'll typically find it under the dashboard, under the hood, or in the glove compartment. Once you find it, you need to identify the specific fuse for the blower motor. Your owner's manual or the diagram on the fuse box cover will tell you exactly which one it is. Carefully remove the fuse for about 30 seconds. This allows the system to completely power down and clear its memory. After 30 seconds, reinsert the fuse securely. Start the car, and you should find that your blower motor is now functioning perfectly again. Trick number 7, the infotainment screen reset. Here we're fixing an issue that's becoming more common, a frozen or unresponsive infotainment screen. Since these systems are basically dedicated computers, they can get bogged down with temporary glitches. A simple soft reset can clear these problems and get your screen working again, all without losing your save settings. In most cars, you can perform a soft reset by simultaneously pressing and holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. If your screen is working but you want to clear out some of the junk, you can usually find a reboot or reset option within the system settings. Once you perform a reset, the screen should go dark and then reboot. If that button combination doesn't work, don't worry. Many car models have their own unique method for a hard reset. Check your owner's manual for the specific button combination for your vehicle. Trick number 8, the steering angle sensor reset. This last trick is for those confusing dashboard lights, specifically the traction control or stability control light that just won't turn off. After a battery change, an alignment, or some other maintenance, your car's computer can lose track of where the steering wheel is pointed. It forgets what straight ahead looks like, and those lights come on to let you know something is wrong. Here's how to fix it. First, get in your car and start the engine. Once the engine is running, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Hold it there for about 2 or 3 seconds. Now, turn the wheel all the way to the right and hold it there for another 2 or 3 seconds. Finally, bring the wheel back to the center position. That's all it takes. The light should turn off. If it doesn't, just drive the car in a straight line for a short distance, about 50 to 100 feet, and the light should go out on its own. And that's a wrap. We've just covered 8 simple but incredibly effective car reset tricks that can save you a trip to the mechanic and a whole lot of money. Remember, from a stubborn check engine light to a clunky transmission, most of these issues are just electronic glitches that you can fix for free. So go ahead, try these tricks on your own car and let us know in the comments which one worked for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need it. Don't let a mechanic take your money for a problem you can fix in minutes. Stay smart, stay safe, and save that money for something fun.